designers. Imagine creating stunning visuals, animating graphics, or crafting UI layouts all in seconds using AI. Yep, that's the world we are living in right now. Today, I'm revealing the top AI tools every designer must try in 2026. From concept design to motion, branding, and storytelling, these tools will literally upgrade your creative superpowers. So grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the future of design. Recraft AI. Turn prompts into vector magic. Recraft AI is like the Adobe Illustrator of the AI era. Just type your idea and Recraft AI instantly generates editable vector-based graphics you can tweak in Figma or Illustrator. Unlike pixel-based tools, Recraft generates vectors, so no blurry images, no upscaling drama, perfect for logo design, brand elements, and UI icons. OMagic AI, AI for visual effects and motion design. OMagic AI uses AI to animate static visuals like text, logos, or posters with dynamic transitions, particle effects, and cinematic motion. Upload your static design or image, choose an animation style, let AI generate your motion video. Use it to create animated brand intros, Instagram motion posts, or UI micro interactions in minutes. Hello AI. Turn text into cinematic videos instantly. Imagine typing your idea and watching it turn into a stunning AI generated cinematic video in minutes. That's what Halo AI does. It's your personal AI video director that transforms written prompts, stories, or scripts into visually captivating videos with natural voices and dynamic scenes. Designers, marketers, and creators can now bring concepts into life without cameras, editors, or actors. Whether you are showcasing your portfolio projects, brand storytelling, or motion graphic ideas, Hailuo helps you visualize your message instantly. Story Tribe. Turn your ideas into storyboards instantly. It's an AI-powered storyboarding and visual planning tool that helps designers, filmmakers, and creators to turn raw ideas into structured visual stories. It bridges the gap between concept and creation. Perfect for designers who want to show how a visual idea unfolds, especially during pitches, UX presentations, or marketing campaign planning. It's like having an AI pre-production team in your browser. Kling AI, the next gen text to video revolution. It's the most advanced AI video generation platform and it's absolutely blowing up the internet. Kling AI is setting a new benchmark for realism. From camera movement to character animation, the output looks like it was shot with a red camera. It's a dream tool for motion designers, ad creators, and filmmakers who want to visualize concepts without a production crew. Van 2.2 by Hixfield, the AI that thinks like a human animator. Imagine uploading a photo and watching it move, blink, and act just like a real human. That's what Van 2.2 by Hixfield does. It's an AI video generation model that can replicate human movements, emotions, and gestures with incredible accuracy. Rev, Reimagine Reality, an AI-powered image editor that lets you reimagine reality. It combines natural language editing with drag and drop creativity, making it a dream tool for designers who want to create surreal, high-impact visuals in seconds. Unlike most AI tools that only generate results, Rev gives you creative authority. You can direct, modify, and perfect visuals until they match your imagination. It's perfect for graphic designers, social media creators, and UI designers who want hyper-realistic or conceptual imagery without jumping between Photoshop and AI models. Formia. Turn 2D logos into stunning 3D designs. Now, here is a game changer for brand designers and motion artists. Formia, it takes your flat 2D logos and automatically transform them into rich, realistic 3D versions with just a click. Creating 3D logos used to mean hours of Blender or Cinema 4D work. With Formia, you can get studio quality renders instantly, perfect for motion posters, YouTube intros, or brand presentations. Okay, designers, saving the craziest one for last. Meet OpenArt AI, the super app that brings together all your favorite design tools in one single creative ecosystem. Think of it as the Avengers of AI design platforms, combining the powers of Kling AI, Van 2.2, Hailuo, Sora, VO3, Pixverse, and more, all under one roof. And that's the wrap on our top AI tools for designers in 2026. Tell me in the comments which AI tool blew your mind the most. And if you found this video useful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next video.